Good afternoon. Welcome to Kalkine TV. I'm Sage. You're watching another edition of the Hot Performers. In today's show, we'll be showing you what the ASX listed transport services operator Kelsian Group is all about. It announced on the 27th of May 2022 that it has entered into a deal with the bus operator in Greater London, Stagecoach Bus. As per the agreement, Kelsian Group will sell and divest its East London public bus transportation service operations at Lea Interchange for £20 million sterling. That is about 35 million Australian dollar. The deal is expected to close in late June 2022 and is expected to meet certain conditions. On the back of the news, shares of Kelsian were trading 1.21% higher at $7 Australian 52 cents each during the lunch hours. And let's take a look at the details of this deal. Kelsian will be divesting 11 route contracts, around 500 bus and depot staff, lease of the Lea Interchange depot site, and operating assets for the associated bus operations of approximately 150 buses. The company also agreed on consideration for the Lea Interchange operations, and assets payable by Stagecoach Bus are about £20 million. Out of the total amount, £10 million will be payable on completion and another £1 million per annum for 10 years commencing on the first anniversary following its completion. It is subject to certain property-related conditions, however. The transaction closing will signal another significant step forward in Kelsian's repositioning in the crucial UK transportation industry. The deal is providing a strategic base for the future UK and European expansion opportunities as well, and Kelsian will keep its 12.5% ownership in the RATP Dev Transit London Limited and its 100% freehold property in the Westbourne Park bus depot. Let's get to know today's hot performer a little better. Kelsian Group is Australia's largest land and sea transportation company, as well as tourism operator with offices in London as well as Singapore. It has been headquartered in Adelaide since 1989 and has developed to become a leader in public bus and maritime transportation and tourism operations through smart acquisitions and organic expansion. Now, besides, Kelsian is a pioneer in zero-emission transportation technology. The company was the first to purchase hydrogen buses for public transportation contracts in Australia as well. And now let's glance at Kelsian Group's share price performance. The shares have declined 1.70% on a monthly basis as of the 27th of May. And talking about the 6 months performance, the shares of Kelsian Group have surged 17.13%, while on a year-to-date basis, the shares have surged by 1.90%. The company stands with a market cap of 1.62 billion Australian dollars and has given an annual yield of 2.15% as of date. Now, before we end the show, let's take a quick look at some of the other hot performing stocks on the ASX as of this afternoon. Mineral exploration company Oklo Resources shares were up by 90.79% at 14 cents. A B2B data intelligence and analytics company Invigo Group shares were up by 37.14%, reaching 4.8 cents. And the online sports betting company PointsBet shares were up by 13.40%, reaching $2.84. Now, the battery metals exploration and development company Liontown Resources shares were up by 5.08%, reaching $1.34 Australian. And lastly, metals producer Pilbara Minerals shares were also up by 4.63%. They reached $2 Australian 94 cents. Now, with that, we've come to the end of this edition of the Hot Performance Show by Kalkine TV. Please do stay tuned, though, for the latest market updates and related insights. Sage signing off for now.